Sir, previously you're hearing my voice, sir.
Previously also I got, but not that good. Now it's fine.
Just, sir. Now it's okay, sir.
Yes. Walaikum salam, Jawad.
Sir, I was disconnected from the previous class. Like my internet was not.
So you got the snapshot.
Yes, sir. I got the note.
Yeah, we sent the snapshots in the group. I think that might help you, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That might be very much.
Now, you
Sir,
see
my
the
audio is clear now, sir.
again problem. Again, your voice has problem. So you
Sir, now,
write,
sir.
no problem,
Hello.
no problem, no problem. You continue, Mohammed sir. You write here the heading: short-sighted eye and correction.
You just tell me, okay, what is the when there is any problem or not? Okay.
Okay. Then I will tell you, no problem. Look, the heading you have: short-sighted eye and correction. We said short-sighted eye means you can see the near objects clearly, but the far objects you cannot see properly. So you write here the heading, then you write for young. What I'm writing, you also write that. In bracket,
Yes, sir, yeah.
In bracket, you write for young people. Young people generally.
Yes, sir, under 18, right, sir?
Not under 18, like less than 40. Less than 40 years. Those people, they are facing mainly this problem.
কার্টুন বন্ধ কর কাশি
Yeah.
এই ঘটনা ভাই দেখতেছে আচ্ছা স্যার মিউট করে রাখলাম ভাই
Okay. Look here, the diagram. This is for young people. They have the thicker lens, you see. And when they want to see the closer object, you see, light from a distant object coming.
Sir, can you show the writing?
Sorry. Yeah, Jawad, what you said?
Sir, can you show the writing like for the shortest people, like for young people?
Okay. Is it clear now? Are you seeing that?
Yes, sir.
For young
yes,
people,
sir, yes.
Yeah. So look at the diagram here. We are having the eye and the lens. So the young people, their problem is if there is not this lens, not this diverging lens, then their image is formed little bit earlier, little bit front than the retina. These dotted lines, you see, these dotted lines are coming, that is forming here. The image is formed here. But if you are giving this diverging lens, then those are little bit diverged, and then they are producing image in the right place on the retina. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes. Sir, I have a very confusing question, sir. Can I ask, sir?
Sure.
Sir, when we are wearing an additional lens, sir, then how our eyes adjust then?
Okay.
Like we are short-sighted.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very good. I am taking your question. Actually, when you are going to the eye specialist, that time you are having a diagnosis, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
are going for diagnosis, and after diagnosing, you can understand what power actually you need.
Yeah.
Yeah, that particular lens is given to you so that it is adjusted with your problems. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. That's
Okay,
clear.
now please draw it. Finish drawing and then write this part. Huh? From here you write.
Which part, sir?
Here. Myopia.
Myopia.
Myopia, this word is not is the term is used in your O level. You just learn about short sight. That's it. Okay. Don't be that much serious about learning this word. This is not necessary to learn. Just you learn short sight. Uh, Short sight means you can see clearly the closer things, but you cannot see the far things. That is called short sight. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
Okay. Yeah. You see, a very important thing here, it cannot make the lens thinner as required. Okay, the muscle cannot work properly here to make the lens thinner. That's why this problem is coming.
Sir, why this type of problem emerges, sir?
Like for any reasons, your muscle is not acting properly. Maybe to have too much access to the screen, mobile screen or computer screen. It may be for too much light is going to your eyes, or for any in nutrition problem, lack of nutrition. Is it clear? For many reasons,
Yes.
yeah, for many reasons it can happen. So you also send this diagram, huh, Mohammad Saad, to our group about the short-sighted eye and its correction.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me, please. Yeah, any questions? Anyone asking any questions? Please tell me. Yeah, Mohammad Saad, have you sent?
No, sir, still not.
So are you done?
No, sir. Sir, I have some questions, sir.
Yes, please ask me.
Sir, uh,
Yeah, tell me quick.
sir, if the muscle is not uh, uh, working, adjusting the lenses properly, sir, why it take a very long time to recover, sir?
Why it's taking long time to recover?
Yes, sir, it's taking a very
Okay,
long time.
it's very simple. Look, this problem is not happening by a day, is it?
No, sir.
If you are having any kinds of disease, you cannot be okay within short time, right? Then you have to cure, you have to take time, you have to take medicine. Slowly it works. Then it's taking longer time. Is it clear now? Because
Like,
it's
sir,
not it's not like the machinery we have around our surroundings. It's very much delicate. Here we have nervous system. Here we have blood vessels. Many things are related, right? So only
yes, sir.
only one thing is not there. Like maybe it's not extended due to the nervous system also. Maybe you have some problem in nervous system. So it depends from where this problem came. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So if your treatment is to the point, like my one, I did by taking foods, then it is cured permanently. But if you are taking some artificial things, and for the time being it will work, but permanently it will not work.
Artificial things, right, sir? Right?
Only like this lens. If you are only using the lens, if you are not careful about the food, like you are still using the screen like before. So if you are not doing everything.
Now, how will I?
Now I am saying what was my problem. Listen, everyone, uh, in the darkness I was not aware that maybe at night I had to do work, but I switched off all the light, isn't it? And during
Yes.
during that switching off, your when the surrounding side is dark, if you are using the screen, that's bad effect is more than normal time. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's clear, sir.
Yeah. So for that reason, I had this problem, and after that, I never did that. In the dark, I'm looking on the screen. Always, I do. If I do work, then I switch on light. If it is night, then use the screen. so that it adjusted with my
Sir, you
eyes.
had this problem, sir, in the university life or in the
It was actually uh, started during my university life, but after my university life, it became worse. That time, I even did not understand what is the root of this problem. Many days
and
after
how did you
many days after I realized that one, then I started taking steps. So beside this also we have to make dua, right? We have to make
yes,
dua
sir.
so that
Sir, I think I had the same problem, sir.
yeah,
That thing.
you
Using
yes,
the
you have to
screen
make dua
in
also
at night.
because the creator is the Allah is the creator, He's the Almighty, He can solve any problems, right? So even if you are taking all the steps, measures, it might not work if Allah does not wish, right?
Sir.
That is the main thing. Beside your trying, you have to ask His help. Okay,
Yes,
now, yeah.
without his help, it is
So did
impossible.
you take the snap?
Yes, sir. I took the snap, but
Okay, please send it. Now you are done with this drawing and writing, right?
sir, only this upper part, right, sir?
Yeah, upper part is done. Then now lower part, that is
Yes, sir.
long-sighted eye and correction. So you already understood what is short-sighted eye.
Yes,
It
sir.
will be easier now to understand what is long-sighted, right?
Yes, sir.
So look here,
Given, sir.
long-sighted eye means this person can see the far objects clearly, but the closer objects they can't see properly. That's why they are called long-sighted eye. And it is happening for the aged person, okay, like more than 40 years. They are facing these problems when especially reading. That time they are reading the closer things, the newspaper or any book. That time they are facing this problem. For the aged people generally. And I wrote here generally because in some exceptional cases it happens that some of the persons they have both the problems. Okay, so what is happening normally, uh, that one we wrote, but it might be exceptional cases that some persons might have both the problems or vice versa, right? So here you try to get that normally the closer things they have the problem. You see, their lens is that not much thicker. It's thinner lens, right? So as it is thinner, for any reason it is thinner, and the rays cannot be converged to the right point on the retina. It's converging in a way that the possible image formed very little bit far from the retina. You see, the position of the image is like that. It's here. Okay, that's why they are also seeing the objects or reading or anything blurry. So to solve this problem, what we are doing, we are using additional converging lenses so that the conversion or the converging is more. Uh, in addition to the lens, there is more converging with the extra lens, and the image can be formed on the retina properly. Is it clear now? Hello.
Sir, I was disconnected, sir.
So you write it, you draw this diagram, and
Sir, I had,
I'm explaining again.
sir,
No problem. No problem. I'm explaining again. Look,
sir, both of this diagram.
yeah, both the diagrams you draw, because this one is showing you the problems, and this one is showing you the solution. If you draw both the diagrams, that will be easier for you to understand. And by this drawing and writing, this topic is over. And it is a big topic. Look here, we have 21 pages note. It's almost the size of 3 topics together. It is a very big topic. That's why we are not going for any more topics this term. Those other topics are smaller. Yeah.
We can go for another topic, sir, but no cities. It will be better.
No problem. That one is very small.
I think no topic is better.
No new topic. We will.
Stupid or something.
Yeah, we will not go for any more topic this term because those topics are small. We can cover in the final term. No problem. Because these 2 topics, after learning these 2 topics, the topic 13 already you did, and topic 14 now you are done. So the discussions you got, the understanding you got, those will make you very fast in the next topics, because the similar ideas will be used there. Just applications of this, nothing new over there. Okay. In sound and in dispersion of light, we will use the similar ideas already we have learned in topic 13 and 14. So there we can go very fast. And those topics also are very small. There are not that much contents and learning outcomes. Mohammad, also take this snap of this one.
Yes, sir. Taken, sir.
Please, thank you. Thank you so much. So in this topic, we learned many things. At the beginning, we learned reflection of light. Then we learned the properties of image on a plane mirror, 5 properties. Then we learned refraction of light. Then we learned critical angle, total internal reflection, then application of total internal reflections. Then we learned lens. What is lens? Different types of lens. Then we had different lens terms, different parts of the lens. Then we learned ray diagrams. Then
Sir, we have to draw this diagram.
Yes, please draw it, please. This is very, very important to draw, because if you draw, then you'll understand this problem and how to solve this problem. Listen, Kazi Zawad, if you are drawing, it will be permanent in your mind.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, tomorrow you'll forget.
And I can ask, what is this?
Yeah, to look here for the long-sighted eye, when you are drawing here, converging lens, yes, you can remember, yes, for solving the problem of long-sighted, we are using converging lens. In your MCQ part, you'll get this type of questions. Which type of lens we are using for solving long-sighted eye and their correction? Okay.
Converging lens.
Yeah, converging lens. So this way the questions.
Sir, do you have to write the definition?
No, definition you do not need to write, but you have to understand. Definition, listen. You can make the
Yes, I understood.
definition. You already understand what is called long-sighted eye.
Yes, sir.
So the definition
Yes, sir.
is made by you, right? You can make it. Long-sighted means you can see far objects properly, but the closer
But
objects you
not the
cannot
close-up.
see. That is called long-sighted.
Let's say I can see long properly, but not short.
Yes.
Like this.
Yes. Yeah, near objects you cannot see properly. That is called long-sighted eye.
Okay, sir.
So are you done?
No.
Sir, almost.
Yeah, finish. Then now we will start solving the worksheet.
So today,
Sir, not 2 days, sir. Sir, ask कुछ मेरा sir.
Another day. So
Yes,
yes,
today,
sir, another
another
day.
day, sir.
today
No
I
problem.
upload. Then you try at home as much as possible. Huh?
Yes,
At
Yeah.
sir.
least
Yes, sir.
at least 10 MCQs. First 10
Sir,
MCQs. Yeah,
sir, can I make a sir printout, sir?
sure.
Of course.
If you make printout, that will be awesome because there will be lots of drawings. Okay, if you want to go for better solution of this worksheet, light worksheet, you should have the printout. Then you can get the answers properly.
Sir also told in the like Google Classroom.
Yeah,
Not that one. That one is the
that is for practical,
what
but
is
Same
that?
for
thing.
also
Yeah,
for also
practical.
light one, you need the worksheet to be printed. Then you can learn
Sir,
properly.
when is our practical exam?
Practical exam, they will tell you. They will tell you. You just your one will not be you know uh, in there in lab. It will be in on paper based. Okay, the way we
No,
are
sir, we
taking
know that,
classes.
but like if the date is given, it will be
Yeah,
easy
there will
for
be only
us.
10 marks. 10 marks in practical. Okay, two small questions I am
Oh,
taking.
only 10.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
10 marks practical will be
Okay, sir.
there, and there will be similar questions we did in class. You go through the recordings
Okay, sir.
uh,
Sir,
uploaded
total
in.
how many class like have like was
Yeah,
held?
Sad, most probably we have 9 classes, right, Sad?
No, sir, 11 classes.
How many? 11.
Yes, sir, 11
Okay,
classes, sir.
okay, 11 practical classes we had. And we missed one class during the puja vacation, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. So I joined in 2 or 3
Yeah,
classes.
so everything is there. All the recordings I uploaded, all the practical worksheet is there. So you can have a look there. Huh? And also if you go through the, our group back, class 10 physics group, if you go through there also, I gave the link of practical. Every Sunday you check, then you'll get it. Okay? If you go to the calendar, every Sunday, what is the date, you will get it, then you can check it. Is it clear?
kasi
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is it clear, everyone? So don't worry about that. And even after that, you have any problem, you tell me. Next class, don't miss. Huh? Next Sunday, you don't miss the practical class.
sir,
Okay?
uncut, sir, what is the uncorrected near point, sir?
Uncorrected near point means if you think that here it is image, right? The image
Yes,
is
sir.
here. So your object, if the object is here, then it can be in the right place. Is it clear? Normally, the near point for eyes is uh, 25 centimeter, right? Is it clear? But for this uncorrected, the near object is little bit far. Yeah, and it's not fixed. It varies for man to man, person to person. It varies.
Sir, can you explain, sir?
Mhm.
Can you, sir, explain another time, sir?
Okay, I'm explaining another time. Look, the image is formed in the right side here, isn't it?
Yes, a bit
So,
far more than the
yeah.
retina.
So, if your object is not here, if it is here, uh, then
Uh,
then you'll see that the position of the image will be in the right place, isn't it? But for normal eye,
yes.
the near point of seeing any object clearly is 25 centimeter. Maybe for any reasons, person to person it varies. The the near point is a little bit far. Okay, that's why they cannot see the closer things or the objects which are closer to them, the paper which is closer to them, they cannot read it properly. Is it clear now?
The near point is more like more near,
Yes.
more than 25,
Yeah.
less than 25 centimeter.
Yeah.
Okay.
For them who has problem, they have the near point far away. You see, it's here. But the normal eye, it is 25 centimeter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you done, everyone? Hello. What about our other participants? Shafkat, Faiza.
So Safkat is not here, I think.
Yeah, Shafkat, Abi.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
writing?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes, sir.
drawing? You are understanding everything? You have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, then Rabi, Faiza. Have you
Faiza.
understood everything? Rabi?
Yes, sir. Almost. সব শেষ।
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your cooperation. And again, thank in advance for your learning. Okay? Keep on learning from now on. This topic is over. Our test on Monday next week, after 1 week. So you have a try for getting good scores. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So Mohammad Saad, are you done with taking snap?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Taken.
Sir, finished writing.
Okay. Our class is almost over. We have last 2 minutes. If you have any question, you can ask me about your exams, about this topic, about the test. If you have any questions, you can ask
Finished,
me.
sir.
Sir, in our half yearly exam,
No
we
question.
will give like this time our half yearly exam will held 50 marks.
Yeah,
So
50 marks. I am planning to give 20 marks MCQ and 30 marks structured part. Is it okay?
yes, sir.
Okay.
But sir, last time diagram সমস্যা হয়েছিল স্যার পাঠাইতে।
So if you are facing problem to send a diagram in to upload, then you send it in my email. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
That's a good option.